morning, all chemists. Let's talk about limiting and excess reactants. Limiting reactant is a reactant that's present in the chemical formula that is completely used up during the reaction, while an excess reactant is a reactant that remains once the reaction is over. Let's say you're making pasta for yourself and your family. You would need 1 pack of pasta and around a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, but you only have half a pack of pasta. The pasta would be your limiting reactant as it stops you from making the desired amount of pasta you want to make. The pasta sauce is the excess reactant because it's not fully used up at the end. Chemists do this to see how much of each element or substance is needed to produce a desired amount. They use stoichiometric amounts, which means using exact molar quantities as the balanced chemical equation states. How do I find out what the limiting reactant is if I'm given a balanced chemical equation? Well, here are some steps to solve. Your first step is to find the balanced chemical equation for your reaction. It is usually given most of the time, and it is important because you need to make sure that you have the same amount in number of atoms on each side of the equation, according to the law of conservation of mass. So your next step is to calculate the molar mass for each element and determine the number of moles. To calculate the molar mass, you multiply the atomic weight of that specific element by the subscript. So for N2, you take your subscript, which is 2, and your atomic weight, which is 14.01, to get your molar mass, and to calculate the number of moles, you take your mass and divide it by your molar mass. Almost done, so our last step is to compare mole ratios of reactants with products, and the smaller one will be our limiting reactant. So if we follow through one example, we have our mole value of N2, which we multiply by the coefficient of our product, and then divided by our coefficient for our reactant, that same one, which will get our mole value. So now that we've solved, we know that our limiting reactant is N2 and our excess reactant is H2. So we have to make sure we write a therefore statement and then round to the given number of sig figs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.